Well, it is Wednesday morning and I am getting ready to go to court. I came in a little early this morning, had some things to do for some clients. And before I went out, I wanted to put out my video regarding the blog article that I wrote on the Ja Morant situation in the NBA. It appears that he has been suspended indefinitely. And the reason being is because of a video that he put out on social media with him allegedly showing a gun. And now the authorities in Colorado are looking into it. And really, this is a perfect example of people believing that what happens on social media stays on social media and it doesn't exist in real life. And that could be further from the truth. And the point of the article was to simply put out that if you are in a situation where you're doing something illegal on social media, whether it be conveying some type of message, considered a threatening message to someone that can be considered a terroristic threat, or doing something illegal like the illegal possession of drugs or a firearm in this situation. Now, the police are looking into it with regards to the legality. It's my understanding that in Colorado, the permit to carry laws are a lot different than we have in, say, New Jersey or Pennsylvania. They appear to be a little more relaxed with regards to the ability to carry a firearm. But that being said, allegedly he's in a nightclub and consuming alcohol. I don't think the video actually shows all that, but the police are looking into it. Obviously, the NBA has a problem with it, and he faces potential action there. Obviously, action in the NBA isn't the equivalent of criminal action, and there isn't the higher standard of burden of proof, which we all know in criminal cases, guilty on a reasonable doubt. I don't know if he's going to be charged or not. My guess is it's unlikely to be charged with anything. I think that the video will be inconclusive with regards to whether or not he was consuming alcohol and whether or not he was violating Colorado laws. But I definitely think he's going to have problems with regards to sponsorship if he continues on this path. Now, so the point of the blog article was to simply point out that if you're in possession of a gun illegally, and you put it on social media and you do something with it, you can be charged with things like illegal possession of firearm. If you're a convicted felon and do not have the ability to carry a weapon and you're found on social media, and law enforcement do monitor these sites. I don't think because you're just sharing it with your friends that law enforcement can't see it. Once it's on social media, it is put out to the world and you don't have any control of what happens to it. So the best course of action is simply just to not do anything on social media that you wouldn't do in public outside of social media. And that's a really simple message. I can't tell you how many clients I've represented who've had issues with social media, either violating probation because of things that they've done on social media, or being charged with something like illegal possession of drugs or a gun, or police using the evidence on social media to support the case by the prosecution. So again, these are all things that you need to be mindful of. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, website gamblinglaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. In addition, our podcast, very recently, we featured attorney Peter Weinbrake, but our podcast features attorneys from outside of our criminal defense practice, because we understand that our clients and their families are interested in areas outside of criminal defense, and we make this available to them as kind of a learning situation. And that's the point behind all my blogs, all my videos. We at this point have over 1,000 blogs, over 500 videos, 6 books, podcasts, pretty much every month. And we continue to do that because we believe that an educated client is in the best possible position to receive a great result. So once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Wednesday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.